I started dreaming about the problems of my car, all the funny sounds and weird vibrations. Welcome back to another video. I am not a mechanic, I am just learning along the way. I can watch YouTube videos, read forums, and just research about the problems that I have on my car. My brother works on the tricky mechanical stuffs, while I only work on the easy simple stuffs. This is the part I needed. It's an engine mounting. I'll show you guys later. We are going to install it in the car right now. On this day, the engine mountings were being changed, and I was literally just a spectator. Props ups to the guys. These are the engine mountings, the old versus the new. The old ones are super old and they really needed replacements. Yeah, okay, so what happened here is I bumped the pavement and now my guys totaled. It's no more working, bro. We're done for good. Now I'll just put on the spare tire and yeah, it's life, man. My friends say that I'm lazy, but at least I can change a tire. I was in the middle of nowhere, and if I didn't know, I could have made a lot of calls just to get a tire changed, and it does not come cheap. Okay, so my tire is actually done, so yeah, I need to get another tire. At this point, I wish I had the spare tire that looked like a normal tire, because I looked like a crown. On a different day, one of my wheel nuts scraped, so I had to pay these guys to weld off the old ones so that they can be able to unscrew it, and I had to buy another one from them. It was a weird plan that I've never heard of. The plan worked, but we cannot use the nut anymore. Something that I hate about cars is the fact that you can always buy or replace the wrong things that don't have a problem, and you still end up with the same issue again because you did not fix the right thing. At this point I realized that the shocks that I bought are not the ones making the sound. The ball joint is the one making the sound and it needed replacement. We wanted to make sure that we are going to buy the right part this time, and we rechecked and listened to the sound again and again just to be sure which part was broken. Ropetayera ngama. We ended up solving the issue, but there are some other issues with the car also again at this moment. My next video will be about rebuy cars. I won't tell you exactly what it is. Stay tuned for that. And for those that subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share this video. This is the right thing to do.